condominium project doon sa area. So, ako po si Chris Albert Miguel. So, ako po yung Brokers Network Head for Famtech Properties. And ang assistant ko po is si Jaylin Lepasan. So, nandun naman na po kami dalawa sa GC ng PHR. So, i-discuss ko lang po yung about sa project, si developer, then yung location niya, yung branch to the project details, and a little bit of information about bakit ba namin dinidiscuss sa brokers na ibenta sa broker. OLP po is One Lancaster Park.
Why Lancaster Park, sir?
Property Company of Friends Incorporated, or ProFriends, with more than 20 years of working in communities and transforming lives of families. And PH1 World Developers, known for disruptive property development through innovative engineering technology. Join hands as Famtech Properties Incorporated to redefine safe condo living. Introducing One Lancaster Park. Family-friendly homes designed with the safety of your family and your investment in mind. Located in Lancaster New City in Cavite, a township where everything is within reach for you to learn, work, play, pray, and live life to the full. One Lancaster Park offers unparalleled safety features that mean zero worries for maximum total enjoyment. Secure entry points to the covered basement parking provide exclusive yet convenient access for residents. Common areas such as lobbies and corridors are equipped with CCTV cameras under 24/7 surveillance. Private spaces are only accessible to your family and neighbors with the RFID elevators and lock sets for each unit. Each building is also equipped with a power generator on standby in the event of a power interruption. Roving security personnel ensure peace and order in the premises, night and day. You can safely enjoy the outdoors at the 7-hectare park that offers a relaxing view of nature, with ample space for family recreation at the playground, family bonding zone, kids zone, and activity zone, or moments of solitude at the quiet zone and pocket garden. Celebrate your milestone events in the safety of our spacious clubhouse. Relax and unwind in any of our 3 swimming pools. Loungers are available for you to enjoy the resort vibe right in the comfort of your own home. Whether you decide to live here or invest to rent it out, One Lancaster Park is the safe choice. From the moment you enter the vicinity till you get to your private unit, One Lancaster Park is your home, safe home.
Sir, joint venture ba yan ng PH1 saka ng ProFriends?
Yes, sir. Discuss natin, sir. So, ito po. Most of the sellers po kasi talagang nalilito kay ProFriends at saka dun sa company namin. I think may concern po yata sa ProFriends regarding commission or what. Pero ang lagi po namin i-explain, Famtech po is not ProFriends. So, ang accreditation po din po natin is actually under PH1, but kasi nga po may ProFriends tayo, they decided to come up with Famtech na lang. So, nag-joint venture po yung dalawa to create Famtech. Famtech is the developer po of One Lancaster Park.
Si Mega White.
Si Megawide is our builder.
Builder.
Siya po yung mag-construct ng project natin. So, ito po yung mga portfolio projects ng dalawang company. So, si PH1 World Developers po is a developer of condominium projects. Most of their projects po are located in Ortigas area. So, they have The Hive, Enzo, and Modanlocks. And then, kilala niyo naman po si ProFriends, hindi na natin discuss yan. And then si Megawide. Si Megawide po is one of the biggest construction company in the Philippines, if not in Asia. So yun po yung kiniklaim ni Megawide. So ito po yung portfolio projects na ginawa ni Megawide. So they constructed po yung international airport in Cebu, Mactan, and then pati po sa Clark, sila rin ang gumawa niyan. And then PITX, sila rin po yung gumawa ng PITX. And then sa resorts, sila rin po gumawa ng City of Dreams at saka yung Ascot Meridian Park. Double Dragon at Mandani Bay sila rin po yung nag-construct. Tapos, pinapakita po namin to kasi si Megawide po kasi is also the contractor, nagko-construct din po ng mga projects na itong mga developer na to. So, kumbaga po, nakita ni Megawide na nagko-construct sila ng mga buildings, ng mga projects nila, maganda yung market sa real estate. So, he decided to establish po si PH1 World na nag-focus naman po dun sa real estate selling. So, yun yung ano po, about the developer and the builder natin. So, the location po, sa location po natin, kasi napapagitnaan po tayo ng infrastructure development. So, we have Cavitex, we also have Calax. Ayan po. And then soon, we will have po yung Sangli International Airport, which is nasa Cavite City. Very, malapit lang din po dito sa atin. And then, Bataan Cavite Interlink Beach, nandito rin po yan sa. So, we are 10 minutes away from Cavitex, and then 30 minutes away from Manila International Airport via Cavitex din po siya. So, ito po yung exact location niya. So, nakikita niyo po, yung showroom natin, currently is nandito siya sa area na to, sa below. But, ang development po talaga natin is ito. So, dito po tayo kanina dumaan sa may NCE Home Depot. Pero may daan din po kasi dito sa kabilang side. Going Cavitex po siya. So, ito po yung McDo, ito yung Shopwise. Currently, nasa gitna tayo. Dito yung showroom natin. But our area of development po, yung Area 1, will be dun sa kabilang side pa. Sa likod ng St. Edwards. May barangay road pa po dito. Maliit na kalsada, pero iwa-widen daw po siya. Ayan. So, malapit lang po tayo sa lahat ng convenience. Ito po yung exact location ng project. Wala lang po itong sound talaga. So yun po yung exact location. Yung Shopwise po yung blue.
Sir, yung kondo na gagawin doon sa malapit sa MS5, ano yun?
Hindi po sa akin.
Hindi sa inyo yan?
Ayan po siya. St. Edwards po sa doon lang. Ito po, yung project ni Megawide din, around dito lang po sa area natin, magkakaroon sila ng parang bus system.
Parang terminal.
Terminal hub.
So, iikot po dito sa area natin.
Dadating ng araw, ganyan ang design ng sasakyan.
Tintin.
Ano lang yan, gram?
Taxi.
BRT terminal po siya. So parang centralized na transport system dito sa area na
Meron yung
sa mismo.
Sibagista.
Kasi makikita niyo po yung Lancaster sobrang laki. Most of the clients din want to, halimbawa go to General Trias, dyan lang naman po sa likod yun. So to explain yung brand history natin, One Lancaster Park, kung makikita niyo po yung logo natin, parang ano siya, bench siya, parang upuan. So bench po kasi Metro Nature in One po yung tagline natin. Kasi si One Lancaster Park po offers convenience, kasi lahat po ng mga yung pinakita ko kanina na markers sa around the area, may mga convenience store, malapit tayo sa Save More, malapit sa church, malapit sa schools, sa lahat po. And then si One Lancaster Park po kasi ang pinakamagandang feature niya, sa 10 hectares po na project development niya, 7 hectares po is open area, amenity area siya. So ganun po siya. Kaya yung logo po natin is parang nature. So yung clients natin can relax po dito sa One Lancaster Park. And then all of the towers po are named after the after famous parks po around the world. Like for example, Tower 1 is Alameda, Tower 2 is Burnham, Tower 3 is Fairmont. All in all po, we have 15 towers. Ayan po yun. Currently po, we are just selling Tower 1, 2, and 3 pala. Si Tower 1 kasi konti na lang inventory, but Tower 3, yun yung pinakamaganda opportunity for all the sellers. Mamaya po, i-intrigue ako muna kayo bakit. Na-launch po siya ng June. By July, we are selling Tower 3 na. Pero ngayon pa lang, by September, almost 32% sold na po yung Tower 3. So, ganun po maganda yung Tower 3.
Ilang unit per tower, sir?
Per floor po is 24 to 29 units per floor po siya. So,
High-rise.
low density lang po siya. Mid-rise lang po siya. 8 floors lang po siya. Mid-rise lang po siya. So, as I said earlier, 70% po of the total development is open spaces for amenities. Yan po yung magiging itsura niya. Project details, so yan po. So 10 hectare po, mid-rise condominium, so 8 residential floors per tower po siya. For Tower 1 and Tower 2, we have pocket gardens po from 3rd floor to 8th floor. Tapos number of units per floor, 24 to 29. Then unit sizes is 21 square meters, 2 unit. 45 square meter is a 2-bedroom unit. For Tower Tower 1 and Tower 2. May special something po kasi si Tower 3, kaya din maganda siya, madali siyang ibenta. So yung 21 and 45 po mababago yan for Tower 3.
Mas malaki.
Secret. Mamaya po maganda yung maganda talaga siya. So ito po yung building plan for phase 1 of the development. So makikita niyo po dito, 9 towers lang siya. Yung 6 other towers po kasi will be doon sa phase 2 kanina, which is yung sakop na po itong yung area na. Tapos makikita niyo po, at the middle of every building, meron po siyang open spaces. That's garden po for relaxation. And then yung mga yoga something. Then please take note po, yung clubhouse natin will be here. So this will house po yung mga in-house amenities natin. So for amenities, ayun po siya. We have family bonding zone, active zone, clubhouse, and kids zone. So again, yung clubhouse po is nandito, nakahiwalay siya. May special din po dyan. Ayan. So outdoor amenities, we have 7 hectare park design activities. Then we have 3 adult and kids swimming pool po. So parang resort type po talaga siya. Tapos ang kagandahan din dito, pwedeng marami kasi tayong clients na investors. Ang plano nila is to rent it out kapag na-turn over na po yun. We have family bonding zone, kids zone, may play area din po tayo para sa bata. Then quiet zone for yoga. Yan, yung pool sample natin. Then you also have basketball court. Ito po yung Sky Garden for Tower 1 and Tower 2. 3rd floor to 8th floor. May mga inventory pa naman po tayo ng Tower 1 at saka Tower 2. Then clubhouse. For indoor amenities, ito po yung sinasabi ko kanina na nakaseparate doon sa front area niya. Kasi ganito po ang magiging itsura ng clubhouse natin. So ito po siya. Ayan po. So siya yung clubhouse natin. Kasi magkakaroon din po siya ng retail store dito sa dalawang unit. So all indoor amenities po, nasa gitna siya. Like for example, yung mga function rooms natin, fitness gym, and then ang proposal po is magkakaroon ng daycare center din po dito sa
What commercial, sir? Meron?
commercial po ito, pero hindi po po nire-release sir kung for rent or for sale.
Sir, bounded for sale.
Wala pa mamaya.
Meron.
Opo. Malalaman po natin lahat ng inventory din kung magkakaroon po talaga.
Ganda na.
So, ganyan po yung magiging.
Ganda.
So,
May commercial.
Ganda ng
May
layout.
nalalayo.
opo.
May client.
Ando na lang sa loob.
So for design and concept, so minimalist po yung ano natin, Scandinavian, neutral palettes, and modern minimalist yung design concept natin. So, ang unit turnover po natin, ang unit inclusions natin, semi-furnished po siya. So ang kulang na lang po talaga dyan is appliances and mga furnitures nila, literal po. So kasama na po sa inclusions natin, arrangement and cooktop. And then may kitchen cabinet na rin, countertop and sink. Then water heater also included. Kung makikita nyo po yung model unit natin, ganun na yung magiging turnover. Yan. Ang special lang po dito, yung window blinds ng every unit included na rin siya sa turnover. Kasi yung gusto lang ni developer, yung pagtingin ng mga tao sa building, maganda pa rin tingnan kasi uniform yung kulay ng from outside looking sa building. Para hindi lang maging mag-subsidy iba-iba yung kulay.
Aesthetic na siya.
Yes. Then, ayan. Ito po yung nakita nyo kanina sa video. So, we will be implementing RFID security cards. So, hindi na pwede makapit bahay si client nyo.
Yun lang.
Doon lang, ang ma-access lang po nila is yung floor where their units are. And then, common areas like, halimbawa kung makakabili sila ng parking, so basement parking, and then yung lobby area. Tapos amenity floor, yun lang po yung pwede nilang good, parang good feature lang din po ito pag nagpapa-Airbnb ka. Kasi hindi mo yung physical appearance ni unit owner hindi na needed doon. So, pwede mo na lang iwan siguro yung security card sa lobby. If someone will rent, kukunin na lang yung type ng security card.
Yung price na.
Price range. So, fast packs, yung Tower 1 po, may 7 units left na lang tayo. So, ano po kasi ito, na-launch naman kasi ito ng 2022.
Kailan turnover niyan, sir, yung Tower 1?
Tower 1 and Tower 2 po is 2026.
Yun nga yung hindi kami binibigyan na inventory, sir, eh. 2022, saka 2023.
Tagal namin tatawag doon eh. Bayad sana kami.
May mga bayad, marami dapat kami na benta rito. Kaya lang, parang ayaw nila magbigay ng inventory.
Reply.
Ako po kasi kaka-start.
Kaya nagulat niya ako nung kumunta ka, sabi ko, wow. Ilan tayo
Kasi
sigaw
kung
kami
kaya
ng
ng
internet.
context, kaka-start ko lang din dito last September. Last month lang din ang booster.
Magre-reply isang beses lang. Ilang araw lang reply.
Hindi pwede sa amin yun.
Hindi ko maano ko.
So, 59% sold na rin po yung Tower 2. We have 78 units left. And then, ito po palang Tower 1, mostly 2 bedroom na lang yung available dito. And then, may isang 1 bedroom na na-reopen sa ground floor. Tower 2, mix of 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom units. Tower 3, ayan po yung new and unique tower natin. Yun po, as I've said earlier, launch last June lang siya. pero 32% sold na siya.
Hanggang tower 10 pa naman yan. Huwag kayong mag-alala.
Siguro, wala pa sa
So for Tower 2, ito po yung price range na 3.6 to 5.3 million. But sa Tower 1 po kasi, in-adjust na nila yung down payment nila. So ang down payment po ng Tower 1 is 12 months to pay na lang.
Tower 3.
For Tower 2, 27 months pa yung down payment niya. But for Tower 3, 33 months pa siya. So, ang monthly DP for Tower 2 starts at around 20,000, but sa Tower 3 as around 12,000 lang. Kasi may studio po tayo sa Tower 2. Then, target turnover for Tower 1 and Tower 2, magkasabay po siya 2026. For Tower 3, 2027. Si Mega White po kasi yung construction, yung builder natin, PITX daw po ginawa lang nila ng 1 year. So, talagang magaling po yung builder natin. So, for payment options, we offer spot cash, deferred cash, 15% spot DP or 15% stretch down payment. For Tower 3, it's still 33 months, kaya hindi pa rin mabigat, maganda for investment. And for financing options, we are offering bank loan and pag-ibig financing. Yun din po ang maganda dito sa project natin. Kasi most of the clients talaga are looking for pag-ibig financing.
BDO lang sir ang bank loan.
Currently, mga BDO pa lang. So, ito po, sample computation for a 1-bedroom unit. It's around 30.25 square meter. Ito po yung exact model unit natin sa baba. So, 1 bedroom. So, ang price po niya, TCP is around 3.6 million. Ang reservation po natin is 25,000. So, standard po ang 25,000 reservation natin for all units. For parking points, 10,000 naman yung reservation. Tapos, ayun, 15% DP spread in 30 months, it's around 20,000 monthly. Tapos, yung financing niya po, kung magbabank siya, it's around 29,000. 20 years to pay, 24,000 for pag-ibig financing.
Oh, may pag-ibig pa pala.
Oh.
Ito po, yung mga materials po na ito nasa Google Drive po.
Send ka lang sa GC.
Apa, sige. Ay, meron pala akong may QR code naman, pwede nyo
Scan na lang.
scan. So, sample computation for 2-bedroom. Tapos, ito na yung maganda. Tower 3 na tayo. For Tower 3, ito po yung special feature ng Tower 3. So, ang Tower 3 po is free upsize. Kung makikita nyo po, every time na magkakaroon tayo ng open houses, yung theme natin lagi is upsize. Kaya rin po tayo naglagay ng coffee shop sa harapan. It's to promote lang yung upsize theme ng Tower 3.
Perfect.
Kape.
Question po, sa palagay nyo bakit upsize? Ay, nakalagay naman pala.
17 square meter?
Iuso niya yun, yung magandang pala.
Yung may
So, yun po yung upsize. Libre kasi yung loft. So, for a 2-bedroom unit, pwede sila makakuha sa around 2 million discount po kasi free po yung taas. So, if your client po will buy 21 square meter na studio unit, ang total po na floor area na makukuha niya is 28.62. Kasi yung
Loft.
may libre po siyang 7.62 square meter na loft. Ayan po siya. So, sample computation for a studio unit, ang price niyo po is around 2.879 lang siya. non-VAT pa po siya, hindi pa po siya vatable, kaya ayan. Kung i-compute nyo po yung loft na 70 square meter,
20.
it's around 959,000 po siya. Tapos instead of paying 4 million na TCP, magiging TCP niya lang is around 3 million. So instead of paying 18,000 monthly, magiging 12,000 lang po yun. Tapos for a 1 bedroom, kung bibili ang client nyo po is 33 square meter, may libre siyang 12.22 square meter na lang. So yung 1 bedroom nyo po basically magiging 2 bedroom niya. Kasi makikita nyo po yung floor area niya. It's katulad na rin po siya nung 45 square meter ng Tower 1 and Tower 2. Pero libre yung loft. Ito po yung sample computation niya. Dito naman po, ang total discount na makukuha niya is around 1.6. So instead of paying 24,000 monthly, magiging 17,000. Base po ito sa 33 months na stretch DP. Kasi normally po, si company nagbabawas siya ng DP. Baka yung next time, 33 months, magiging 30 na lang. So, babago din po yung magiging monthly. For a 2-bedroom, 49.5 po yung yung baba. But, yun nga, 17.74. So, in total po, magiging 67.24 square meter yung unit niya. Ito po yung around 2.3 na yung magiging discount. So, instead of paying 36,000, magiging 26,000 lang siya.
2 bedroom na, no?
Okay. Yeah, takbuhan.
Tower 3 lang yan, sir. Or
Yes,
sa mga next.
One lot after part po. So, we already talk about the perfect location and accessibility niya kasi malapit naman talaga siya sa lahat. Cavitex, Calax, and then nasa around the area lang po yung convenience. And then yung key infrastructure natin. Now, I will focus on the lucrative investment side naman po ni OI. O one land after part. First up, would you know po kung anong difference ng condo and house and lot? Investment po. Investment side po. So, ito po yung versus, kumbaga comparison on investing house versus a condominium. For security purposes po, ang condominium, alam naman natin na sobrang taas ng security ng isang condominium. Kasi we have cameras around the area, mga common areas natin. And then we will also implement yung RFID security card for the floors and elevator. But while sa house and lot po, yan, depende po yan. Medium ang nilagay namin kasi depende po yan sa homeowners. For example, kung ako ang may-ari ng bahay, tatagdarin ko ng security camera yung bahay ko. Siguro tataas yung dito yung magiging high yung security ng bahay ko. But yung sa loob ng isang subdivision, hindi mo rin masabi po, di ba? Then sa amortization, dito sa atin kasi maliit pa yung yung cash out niya kasi pre-selling pa naman po siya. While sa house, depende sa bahay na kukuhanin. And then location, condominium talaga, condominium development po is laging nasa prime location. While sa house po, dito sa Cavite area, depende. Kasi may mga house and lot na rin tayo na as far as tama po ba? Ayan. Tapos amenities, laging available yan sa isang condominium. While sa house and lot, depende po yan sa development. Kasi may mga subdivision naman na mga medyo high-end, mid-cost to high-end subdivisions, may mga amenities naman na siya. While dun sa mga low-cost housing na marami din dito sa around the area natin, wala po siyang amenities. And then maintenance, si condominium po kasi, syempre, ang nagme-maintain po is condo corp. Meron tayo parang HOA ng condo. Tapos, if you will encounter problems sa unit mo, syempre tawag ka lang sa maintenance sa baba. May problema, halimbawa, tumutulo yung sink mo, tatawag mo lang, sila na ang pupunta sa unit mo, sila na yung gagawa. While sa house, sobrang taas ng maintenance.
DIY.
Pag nasira, pag may tulog bubong mo, either i-DIY mo o kapagawa mo sa iba, sobrang taas ng ano niya, ng babayaran. So yun po yung advantages of owning a condominium versus house. And then sa property value po, ang source po nito is Bangko Sentral, so BSP. If you will see po, ang condominium ang pinaka malaki at itinataas over time period po sa property value. So if i-compare nyo po yan sa mga house and lot, ang condominium from 160.5 tumaas siya to 195. In a span of 8 years lang po siya. Katulad po nung project natin. So we started 2022. One bedroom unit po noong 2022, yung price niya is around 2.7. Ang current price niya na po is around 4.5. So that's 62% percentage increase sa price ng condominium natin. And then, ganyan na po talaga kataas pa. And then property value, sa rental income naman, pineg lang namin siya kasi kung mata-turnover yung unit nila by 2026, kung may monthly rent rent out niya yung unit niya, may monthly rent siya na 20,000, so annual rental rate around 240,000 siya. So kumbaga self-earning na siya yung unit niya by 2026. Sa buyer's profile naman po, so ito po is information based on our sales last year. So yung additional information po na ipapakita namin is based on the sales po talaga ng company namin po last year. So ang age bracket po natin currently, mas mataas na po yung mga bumibili na mga millennial, kumbaga, yung mga tinatawag natin millennial. Age 30 to 39 years old talaga yung maraming bumibili ngayon, mga bata na. And then, sumunod is 40 to 49 years old. Ang pinakamaliit dito is yung medyo may edad na. At saka normally po kasi yung mga ganyang age, ang payment na niya is either spot cash or deferred cash. Kasi kapag may ganyan na po, may mga pera na, at saka mahirap na rin po sila siguro ma-approve sa bank.
Hindi lang sir, mas marami yung millennial kaysa 70 to 79 years old eh.
Tama sir.
Ikaw na talaga sir.
Nagpapanood ka ba?
I-approve na i-approve.
And then, reasons for buying, nakikita nyo po pinakamalakas talaga is investment. Most of our clients talaga are looking for investment. Kasi for a price of 13,000 monthly, tapos kung iisipin nyo po magiging 20,000 yung rental niya monthly. So parang laki talaga ng kikitain. Then, ayun lang naman yung highlight din. Tapos source of awareness, lahat naman tayo nasa online na ngayon. So talagang online po yung pinakamalaki dito. Tapos, ayan. So malaki din po yung international segment ng buyers natin. So from abroad is around 35%, while though yung pinakamalaki is NCR 40%, pero kita nyo naman po 35% wala dito sa Pilipinas. Bumibili talaga ng investment. That's why naglabas kami ng promo. So ayan. Ito po yung buyers promo natin kasi nakita natin na maraming buyers abroad ang nag-i-invest talaga sa One Lancaster Park. So we decided to have a buyers promo, the free fare to go home. Ano ba itong free fare to go home? So for the first 30 buyers who will reserve a unit po, sasagutin ni Famtech yung airfare nila back and forth, pero maximum of 50,000. Kasi for Asian country po, sobra-sobra na yun. Pero kung US at saka Europe country yan, medyo magdadagdag si client. Currently po, siguro mga 10 buyers pa lang nakaka-avail. So kung may client kayo na gustong umuwi ng Pasko, pero naghahanap din siya ng investment, invest siya dito, i-schedule lang natin yung flight niya kung kailan niya gusto, magbibigay lang siya sa amin ng date ng
details.
Apo, Tsaka yung date po, ang importante kasi dyan is date kung kailan niya gustong umuwi at date kung kailan niya gustong bumalik sa abroad. Kasi kami po yung bibili ng ticket for the client.
Ay, kala ko,
Kaka-ano pa lang niya, sir? Kaka-reserve pa lang?
Opo.
Oh, okay.
kala ko kasing babayad, sir.
Sir?
Kala ko kasing babayad sa mga FW.
Ticket lang.
Hindi sir, kami ang bibili. Airfare po yan.
Airfare.
Airfare po yan.
Ang bibili
Hindi yan.
Free yun.
Free,
ticket.
free, ano yun sir? Free airfare.
Promo nila yun.
First 30 buyers.
Kung may bayad ka na nandun.
Okay, kala ko, puro dalang ng, ano ba, reimburse yung
Makabila na lang.
Kasi bumili sir ng ano eh, first class ticket eh.
Pang bis.